Brooklyn. Look at the camera.
Hey, bye.
We need to pull. No, we leave the wire. We don't want to do it. We just want to pull the wire back. Let me soft to it. I don't. Maybe I can. Yeah, it'll be tight. Doesn't get in here. That's why it's saying we're not burning that up.
Yeah, it's just logic. Oh God, sick.
Why not? Come on, Ted.
Oh God.
We didn't hose like that.
Well, we weren't getting anywhere, so I started.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna bring the tractor, he said.
Okay.
I thought I'd get us a head start. Like, look at that. I loosened it up for y'all.
I want some more. I want some more.
No, you'll hurt your hand. Simply Southern Roots here. We're going to get started today. We're going to do a shelter for the animals. We got a bunch of heavy rain coming in. We're supposed to go pick up 2 more animals for the farm here, and he just called yesterday and got a reservation to pick them up today. So let's get started. Alright, as y'all seen on the last video, we have got the post put up, and we decided not to film the wire, which was, I was busy yesterday and I didn't get a chance to get out here, so, but we ended up doing cattle panel on here, so it's easy on, easy off if we need to replace anything. It's looking good. I think we're going to come back with barbed wire because the cow's going to be in here. The last one jumped the fence like 3 times, so we're going to put a piece of barbed wire up here so it'll give it a little bit more deterrence. Down here on the end, we decided to cut a section off down here in order to split up the pigs a little bit. We're not ready to turn them loose yet. We gotta still make gates and the area here. Anyways, we decided over here to cut this pen in half when we split them up. That way we can keep them more contained instead of digging up so much. So anyways, come go with us as we start this shelter, try to get a shelter for the new animals coming in just a little while. Stay with us.
Measure from that post to this post, and I'll tell you what to cut that one. Good?
Yep.
Call it 12'6".
So 12'6", put it back on there. Let's go 6 foot.
6'3".
6'3".
Go down again.
6 foot. 3, right here. All right.
Yep. Now, you're in the center, so let's measure real quick. Just hold what you got. You're close. Nail it. Beautiful.
Squeeze your head. Got a drill, battery, screws.
Screws or
What time did you get in? Huh?
1 secret.
Strict power off. This is 13.6.
Well, you know.
It was up this way. That.
Huh? Put it on. Go to the ground.
Go to the ground.
13.6. Unless, hang on, hold
Oh
up.
God.
Calm down. Stop. Time out.
Yeah, do the hose. No, don't do the hose. Don't do the hose. I'm like,
Wait. Put it in line with this one. No, don't. Hang on. Getting ahead of me. Measure. Go that level, Cody. I got you.
Or just continue on with your talk. Now.
Well, Mom, if you get back later, maybe we can go cruise and like look at pick a ride.
Like a ride. If it ain't pouring down rain. Throw it in the back of the truck. I ain't using it.
Yeah, just almost stove pot cup of gel.
A hooch.
Almost. Look. Want to try it?
Cut off my
You
hand.
want it back, huh?
Huh?
You want me to get you right?
It must have fell out of my pocket. I had it in my pocket.
Not again.
You don't like it?
Nope.
Why? That's how they built these pyramids and log cabins.
Oh my God.
Well, it's better than Bart's. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, so this finishes up today. We got the top on it, and we're gonna probably put a blue tarp on it because the metal place ain't open until tomorrow sometime. So the rain's coming in this evening. So anyways, we're gonna go get us a tarp and get it on there and get ready for our new animals to come in. So Simply Southern Roots. It's a big bird. That stupid rooster. See, that's the noise I heard. It sounds like a goose. No goose, the chicken. But it sounds like a goose. Y'all think I'm crazy, but I'm not. Oh my gosh, that's how that is. Don't say that. There might be some metal in here.
It was funny. I seen a video and it said, "Man, it's like God hated somebody because there's like 7 lightning strikes."
Oh my word.
I'm like,
It's like, oh my word.
it was like within like the area of the round pin, just like just hitting. I'm like, Holy crap! What did you do?
Well,
I just say not to. Where?
because you said you was gonna pull off that one to see where that one goes.
No, I'm pulling everything off that one right there.
Okay, dig it, cuz.
Dig the hole. As
Dig
long as
it.
you're not over, what did you say it was?
72,
No.
73 and a quarter.
6'6". Right?
73 and a quarter is what I need.
You want this one? This is longer though. Watch, see, watch your hand. Still on camera, isn't it?
What are you doing, Brooke?
I'm trying to go Coco.
No, come stay over here with us.
Not on that Coco.
Let me see the hammer. Now look at the camera and say, "Hey, everybody!"
Okay.
You're gonna have to dig it
Right.
out
Brooklyn,
and then
Brooklyn.
put it out.
Hey, Brooklyn, look at the camera.
Hey, bye. But I think I was
So we're gonna build a shelter.
so saucy.
Oh wow!
What a bee.
Look at those dry.
That is a
leaves.
mimosa
Big
tree seed.
Ooh, look.
He said, hey?
Hey, bye.
Now Brooklyn gotta smile.
Nonchalant.
Brooklyn gotta smile at me and go, hey everybody.
Hey, bye.
Oh my God.